Hi, in this tutorial I am going to explain about how to create custom post or page in WordPress using tools engine all-in-one custom fields. The custom fields in WordPress is used to add excess beauty to the website by adding extra content using AIO custom fields. To make this happen, first you have to install and activate the tools engine plugin from wordpress.org. After activation, click on the tools engine plugin at the left side. Then tap the Add button at the top of the workspace. It will be redirected to the custom field group. AIO custom field group support 28 different file formats in 5 various categories such as basic, advanced, options, relationship and layout. Now I am going to create a custom post header in WordPress with date, logo and a title. So I name the title as header. Then I drag and drop the respective fields based on my needs. So first I drag and drop the datetime picker. The smart view of the datetime picker shows the file label and the field name. I just mention it as date. The advanced view of the date and time picker shows the instruction, the display time, I just choose it as date, the display format and the return type format. The smart view is same for all the 28 different file formats, but the advanced view varies. Next I am going to insert the image field. The smart view of the image, I just mentioned the field label and field name as logo. The advanced view of the image gets the information about the instruction, the file return format, I just mentioned it as image URL, the preview size, thumbnail and the allowed type is JPEG or PNG. Later, I insert the text field and mention the text field label as company name and the field name as company name. We can add any different file formats based on our needs. The next step is to assign the post type, the users and the taxonomies. Since it's a header, I assign the post types for all, the users as admin and the taxonomy as category. At the bottom we can see the theme code is empty. The theme code is used to display the file format content in the website. So now I click on the publish button. After publishing the post type group, the theme code gets displayed here. Now click on the post menu or page menu to display the custom post content in the WordPress. You can add the custom post at the existing files or you can create a new one. I just set the title as sample post. At the bottom we can find the custom field group named header. Then I insert the content need to be published. Then to display the content directly into the website without the theme code, you have to write the shortcode. The shortcode is tools engine field equal to the field name. Now click on publish. Then click on view post. Here we notice that the multimedia file is not displayed. To show any multimedia file to the visitors, you have to align them at the themes by using the theme code. To update the theme code, you have to copy the theme code and paste it to the themes file. Here I mention all the theme code into my WP content file. Then refresh your website page. Now you can see the image file, the text file and the date file in my WordPress website page. Hope you have understood the creation of custom posts in WordPress using all-in-one custom field plugin. Keep watching.